That's what we're covering. If you've not yet seen, I posted in the chat to you, the NVIDIA earnings premiere. Watch it now. And I've just put this out. I'll give it to you again. It's pinned into the chat at the top. I'll give it to the chat now. It's only 5 minutes long. I'd like your thoughts on it, actually. What do you think of the price targets and all the rest of it? So go and have a look at that. And also giving you the chance to win some more free tickets on our competition. And how we're doing that is if you go to the competition page, which is here, and you scroll down, I've just added a new repost rather, this one here. So go down here, click here, and wondering about NVIDIA's stock price, is it soaring? Retweet this and you'll earn 25 points for doing that. So if you want the link for that, I'll give it to you. Here we go. It's just been added into here. Make sure that all your actions are ticks, and revisit every day if you want to be in our draw to win $204 in 17 days. And the more things you do, I will tell you now, only 4 people have done all the actions. So you've got a very good chance if you do all the actions, or you can just do one. It's entirely up to you. I will give you the link for the giveaway. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. There is the link. All right, if you want to take part in that. Okay, now tomorrow night we've got the NVIDIA earnings. This is it. This is the NVIDIA earnings tomorrow night. If you go to the premiere I've just given you, it will take you to this one as well, so you can link in for tomorrow night and you can be there. But it's after hours tomorrow night. Okie doke. Hopefully you'll watch the video first and leave me your thoughts on it. Okay, now as you can see, we are slightly behind the markets today, as you can see, and we are still red. Only on my Virgin Galactic dominated portfolio. If we go to my Tesla dominated portfolio, we are just ahead of the market. We're green and we are ahead, but I'm expecting a rally into the close. That's where I see the markets going this afternoon. What do you think? But right now we are red. Let me bring all the comments onto the screen. And welcome, Zed Hink. How are you? Lovely to see you. Niels, how are you? Great to have you here. And let me just go and check my studio's running, because we've got this issue still existing on our account. Unfortunately, at the moment, YouTube has a bit of an issue starting the streams on my devices. So anyway, there it is. Hopefully we can get that updated and fixed. Right, let's go through our positions. We've got SPCE going down, try to recover, getting lower though. Hi Mike, how you doing? Mullen, 49 cents now. I know what we need now. Let's do a reverse split. Let's do a reverse split. Why not? 5,000 shares for one. Let's make Mullen $10 million. Unbelievable. Can you believe this? Well, I cannot believe my $600 is gone now. Down 93%. I've got 43 bucks left. Can you believe it? Look at this. Is anybody in Mullen still? Are you still in Mullen? I mean, how do you feel about this? I tell you what, I'm never going to be in this position again. Never. I've learned a lot these last couple of years. And it's driving me up the flipping wall. Hey, Mike. Hey, Sensei Crypto. If you've not yet seen the NVIDIA premiere, here it is. It's pinned in the chat. I'd love your thoughts on it. What do you think about it? I'm trying to make the videos better and better, more like films, more engaging. That's what I'm trying to do. As I say, I'm not trying to be a YouTuber. I'm trying to be an entertainer, film creator, musician, artist. I'm trying to make up my videos really compelling. And I keep working on it and getting better. Hopefully they get better every time. I hope you like them. Anyway, Sensei, hello. Space is killing me. Impatient trader. Well, there's your problem right there. Impatient trader. You can't be impatient, can you? I noticed that you've got some weed there. Are you talking about Tilray? is up today, 1%. I'm glad I'm out of that. I sold it 13%. I sold it when I was up considerably, and I haven't come back into the stock. Stephen Lewandowski, hello, hello, hello. Neil's never heard of Mullen before this channel. Yeah, it's not a good thing. Don't forget I told you about it as well. I really like the video. Thank you, Mike. Thank you very much indeed. Did you watch it all the way through? Did you give me 100% watch time? So far, it's doing all right. I'm trying to get, I mean, the average on a YouTube video is, if it's good, what you aim for is 40%. No one watches videos all the way through. Not the majority of your audience. I mean, of course, some people do, but not the majority. Your main fans might, but most people only watch up to 40%. And I'm trying to make my videos so like engaging in images and sound and effects and stuff like that, so people will watch to the end. I mean, that's, people don't, it doesn't happen, but I'm trying. Well, right now, I'll share with you. Look, the video just come out, and it's a 5-minute 25 video. So typically on that, you'd get 146. Sorry, I beg your pardon. You get a couple of minutes on it. It's at 2:51, nearly 3 minutes. So it's not bad. Typical is 4:48 and 5:37. That's because my videos have been longer. This is a shorter video now, so that's why it's there. But that's good. 2:51. Anyway, well, I keep looking at it, keep working, keep hoping that the next one will be the one. I want that big blowout video, you know, that people talk about. A lot of people say things on YouTube that never actually happen, though. So I've learned that a lot as well. They say stuff and you think, oh, I want to do that. And they've never actually done it. But anyway, just checking something. Okay, right. Good. Back to here. Sorry about that. I got a bit sidetracked there for a minute. So a lot of comments here coming in. AMC 1 for 10 reverse split on the 24th in a couple of days. AMC, I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. Awful stock. For me, anyway. I watched the NVIDIA film. Is it over? I like you called it a film. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make it a film, not a video. Yeah. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. I watched the NVIDIA film. Is it overbought? I think so. I think everyone's getting carried away. Great video, by the way. Oh, now you got and spoiled it by calling it a video. It was a film a minute ago. Do you see space going below $2.50? I do. Sadly. Am I buying more? No, I can't keep throwing money at this. You can't. It doesn't matter. You've got to go, you know what? I've invested enough. And at the end of the day, I've got 1,165 shares. And I bought that not to go to $4, not to go to $5, to go to 100. So I'd have all the money in the world that I would need. So I'm not going to keep buying it and buying it and buying it and buying it and end up with a gazillion shares. That was my original plan. If you remember, the idea was to get everyone to watch my music and the Virgin Galactic song, make $1 million and buy it. But that never happened. Not enough people watched it, unfortunately. I made about $25. I kept trying, but I'll keep trying. Won't give up. Anyway, I watched morning show today all the way through. I watched the morning show today all the way through. Thank you, Stephen. Appreciate that. Palantir doing well compared to the S&P. I'm holding my Palantir. Yeah. It's up today, 2.82. Still down 19% on it, but it's been coming up since it was down at 14.14, definitely. But I'm way out of the money. And again, I'm not in a position to add more to it. Music is a loop in. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate that. 3 tabs open. I thank you for that. Thank you for that. Okay. So where are we now? We're about to turn green. I said we'd get a bounce into the close, a rally into the close. I think we will. S&P's coming back up. Amazon's coming back up. Apple, great day today, 0.95. Starting to see this week recovery. I think we oversold last week. I really do. Nvidia down today, 2.3. Now, we're covering the earnings tomorrow. If you've not yet watched the premiere, here is the Nvidia video. Watch it now at the end of this video, whenever you like. NextEra Energy, just days away now from our ex-dividend date. Slowly going up. By the way, I would love to tell you, I'm sure Stephen's helping. Yes, he is. Stephen and you are the loopers. Yeah, absolutely. I know that and appreciate it. I think we're about to turn green. I want to share some good news, folks. I want to share good news, but I can't. I'm a bit disappointed. Is anybody else doing the J&J exchange? Look, my J&J ZZZ stuck there. I don't know how long this is going to go on. It was done on Friday. It's now Tuesday. I mean, what are we waiting for? I wonder how many people have phoned in Robinhood and gone, or there. Is anybody else? In fact, I should ask that question. Has anybody else done a exchange and had their money yet? Because I'm really annoyed because I don't know what deal I got. I can't trade. I can't do anything. I can't sell those shares. I've got no idea what's going on. I mean, admittedly, I wouldn't be selling anyway. They're going in the S&P on Friday. It's going to go up. I want to hold. But I thought by now it had gone through. I mean, it was taken off on Friday. Then we had the weekend. Fair enough. I thought Monday morning. No. Tuesday. No. I mean, what's going on? Where's my shares? A little bit fed up because, my portfolio is stripped by about $3,000. I don't know what price I've got. I feel a bit like, maybe Monday, Kenview probably Friday. Maybe Monday, Kenview probably Friday. Maybe Monday, maybe Friday. What does that mean? Has anybody exchanged their shares yet and actually got their shares? Anyway, Kenview coming up. Sorry, not Kenview, I beg your pardon. Enphase coming up from a low today. Coca-Cola going sideways. J&J going sideways. Kenview. See, look, Kenview is up 3.5% now. Now, am I up 3.5%? Because that would kind of make sense. I mean, this is where it went in, and then technically, this is when my shares came out on August 18th. I guess this is what's happening. I'm hoping I bought them for $22.50, and now we're at $23.65. I hope so. But I just don't know. They're not there. I didn't take up the J&J option, so I only have 10 shares. As I only have 10. Oh, fair enough. That's what I read. K-View. What does it mean? Maybe Monday. K-View probably Friday. What do you mean? I don't understand why 2 days. Maybe Monday, maybe Friday. I don't know what that means. You mean Monday J&J was done, Kenview Friday? I mean, what? I'm confused. I mean, it wasn't in this. It wasn't in the information. I read it all through, and I didn't see any information about there'd be this delay or anything. It's a bit frustrating anyway. I guess we just got to wait. Portfolio is starting to go up now. We are now ahead of the market in my Roth IRA. Is everyone a bit tired of this drop recently? Want to see get back up again? Certainly looking forward to it if that's possible. Anyway, let's go through our positions and see where we are. Rivian coming up. McDonald's still down. It's up 0.25% today. But if I had a couple of grand, I would buy McDonald's being down. I think I would. In fact, I don't think I would. I know I would. Anyway, how about here? See, look, it's really never dropped, has it? It's never dropped. It's always risen. There was COVID. Look, COVID was its biggest drop, which makes sense. No one's going to McDonald's, right? Continually rising. It's definitely in my book, definitely time to buy. But anyway, start Friday, should be done by Monday. Right. Well, that's what I thought. That's That's what I thought, Stephen. Start Friday should be done by Monday. That's exactly what I thought. So I thought on Friday when it came out, I'd be in on Monday. I mean, I'm a little bit annoyed. I'm a little bit frustrated because it's like, I mean, the stocks haven't gone. I mean, the fact it's showing in J&J. I mean, it was done through Robinhood. They emailed me and they said, "Do you want to do it?" I said, "Yeah." The stocks left my account on Friday. I mean, it all makes sense, but it's like when it reads this stock isn't supported by Robinhood, it's like, what do you mean it's not supported? You did the deal for me. Where's it gone? Where's my money gone? Anyway, should I do a video? Where's my money? Where's my money, Robinhood? Yeah, I should probably do that. At the end of the video, end of this, in 40 minutes, I'll make a video. Where's me money? And see if I can have some fun with that. But see if I can make the money. See if I can earn $2,000, the money I've lost on my shares. On the video. That'd be good, wouldn't it? I doubt it. The highest video I've ever made has been about $30. So I can't see that happening. Anyway, we'll try. Everybody over there on TikTok, how are you all doing this afternoon? You going to join me for the NVIDIA earnings? Do you want to win some money? We're doing a cash prize on our show today. Links in the profile. Jump in and say, "I'm from TikTok and I want to be in your cash prize draw." Anyway, watch J&J and Kenvue on close this Thursday, up or down? Watch J&J and Kenvue on close this Thursday, up or down? I have no idea. Start Friday. I don't know, Stephen. Maybe a lot of shares haven't been filled, finalised or transferred yet. Nonny. Maybe a lot of shares haven't been filled, finalised or transferred yet. I don't know. I'm completely in the dark. And you know what's really weird about it? What's really weird, I've not even had an email from Robinhood. I've not even had an email to say, we've transferred your stocks. This is where they've gone. This is what's going on. I mean, to be fair, I could call up Robinhood and find all this out. I'm sitting here moaning. I could just call them up. I could just go, "Hello, Robinhood. Can you tell me what's going on?" And they'd tell me in 3 seconds. But oh no, I'd rather moan about it. Anyway, Rumble. Funware, FFIE, awful earnings, wasn't it? Oh my God, down 38% now. Down 12% after the earnings. No one liked it. That's another stock down the toilet. Oh, I've got to stop this. I've got to stop doing this. Bitcoin 25 now. Down again today, heading towards 15. Oh dear. Let's face it. Robinhood got a reputation in the UK, folklore, where he was a thief. Yeah, that's right. I tell you what, it's probably one of the, like Sam Bankman-Fried, right? I've always thought that about him, right? Sam Bankman, he banked the money and then he got freed. I mean, it's a stretch, I know, right? But Sam Bankman-Fried, it was always on the wall, wasn't it? On the door, on the wall. It was always written on the wall. I don't know what the word is. But Robinhood, maybe it's that. Maybe Robinhood nick all your money and they go, "Well, we did tell you that we're called Robinhood. You chose to ignore that. And that's your fault. I mean, we didn't pretend. We've always told you we're Robinhood. It's up to you whether you listen or not." Anyway, whatever. Is what it is, I guess. Right, Virgin Galactic's trying to come up. We're doing okay on the Roth IRA, but on the main account. Let me have a look on the news. Let's go over to Bloomberg. Let's have a little look. Let's see what's going on. We've got the FTSE in the UK up 0.18. The FTSE 100 in the UK is up. The CAC is up 0.59. The DAX is up 0.66. The Dow Jones is down 0.37. The S&P 500 is down 0.11. NASDAQ is up 0.25. Ukraine recap. Zelensky weapon talks. Okay, let's have a look into this. Weapon talks. Missile hits Chernihiv. I think that's right. Russian missile strike on Ukraine's Chernihiv kills 7. Isn't it ridiculous, this constant fighting? Backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. It's just, stop killing everybody. It's just pointless. Trump's big shadow, your Saturday's US briefing. What else we got here? Ramsey Whammy under fire. California braces for floods. Social Buzz says, yeah. And final breaking news here. India puts 40% tax on onion export as inflation war intensifies. Shall we read one more? I think we should read one more. Okay, let's do one more. Former President Bolsonaro is aware of risks staying in Brazil. Okay, that'll do with that. That'll do. There wasn't anything there that exciting, was there? Not today. Let me go and have a quick look on Sky News. Have we got anything on Sky News? Nothing that's relevant to the stocks right now. Okie dokie. Senor Piloto, are J&J still sorting shares out for Kenyu due to it being incredibly oversubscribed? Well, I guess they must be, Senor, because I still haven't got my shares. You've fired me up again now. I'd moved on from this for a minute, but yeah, I still haven't got any. My shares are gone. Look, the shares are gone. I can tell you now that my shares are gone. Now, I can share with you that I have 10. If you look here, I have, because basically I said 50%. So I had 10. I had 20. I've now got, in fact, sorry, I've got 10 left. I've got 10 left. And if I now look on here, you can see my J&J snoozing account as 8. So nearly 50%, right? 8. They're not worth anything. They don't do anything. They're just sat in the snoozing account. 8. So that's that. Now, I also have it on my Roth IRA. On my Roth IRA, I now have 7 shares left. Say 8, 7.8. 7.8. And if I look on my little snoozing account, on my Roth IRA position, you will see that I have 6. Look. I have 6 in the Roth IRA J&J ZZZ account. So there you go. So basically what it looked like it did, it took about it allowed me 40%. So like 90% of what I requested, I got. Kind of, because now I don't know where they are. Give me my money. I've no idea. I'm going to make a video. I've decided I'm going to make a video about it at the end of the show. I've decided. Ramas Whammy is a Republican candidate. I guess he'll be more well known after tomorrow because they have their first debate. Tio Roll, I'm sure. Ha ha, sorry. Yeah, you got me fired up now. I was kind of moved on from that point. I was kind of like left it for a couple of minutes, and now you've got me fired up again. Mark Saxby, you won't call Robinhood and would rather moan because it's you're in English. It's the English thing to do. Yes, correct. That's right. I could just pick up the phone and go, excuse me, Robinhood. Yeah. What do you want? I want to know about my money. What do you want to know? Well, I've got J&J shares. Yeah, we know. And I want to know where is my where's my money? Well, what do you mean? Well, you emailed me and you said, "Do you want to transfer to J&J?" And I went, "Yeah." Right? So I did it. And then after that, I never saw you again. You never emailed me. You never called me. You don't call me anymore. You used to call me. Now you don't call me anymore. It's very sad. You didn't call me. I tell you what, do you know what? At the end of this video, in half an hour, I'm going to make my best ever video. I'm excited. I'm getting fired up with the artistic side of it, right? I am going to make the best Robinhood video you've ever seen. I might even go and hire a Robinhood suit and do Robinhood. Where's me bloody money? I tell you what, I'm going to make the best ever video at the end of this. And it's going to be that good that I expect. Not only have you all got to watch it, right? I am going to give 1 million points to win the prize, the $204 cash. By watching it all the way through, I'm going to go like 1 million tickets. Sensei won't like that. He'll go, hang on a minute, I got 25 tickets to visit my website and you're getting 1 million. There's no point anyone visiting my website. They're just going to get 1 million points for your video. Don't worry, Sensei. I will upgrade your points for 1 million as well. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. But I'm going to get everyone to watch my bloody video and comment on it and like on it and retweet it. What else can you do with it? Share it? Share it, yeah. Email it? Text it? Yeah, all that. All that. Going to earn you 1 million points. Right at the end of this video, has anyone got a Robinhood costume can I borrow? Fellow Brit talking here. Yeah. Mark, you know what I mean, right? You know what I mean. You know exactly what I mean, right? Why bother making a phone call to Robinhood? Just moan about it. Oi, where's me money? Well, did you ever call us and ask? No. Well, why not? I just want to moan about it. Maybe you need to log out and back in again. That's what I need to do. Log out and back in again. Log out and back in again. You can't log out and back in again. Well, yeah. Actually, I suppose you... Well, yeah, technically you can. Shall I log out and back in again? If I log out and back in again and it's there's going to be hell up. I'm telling you. If that's the answer to it, that's all I needed to do. There's going to be hell up. I don't see it. Unlike that guy, you know that guy who goes to the pedestrian crossing. Have you seen that video? A guy goes to the pedestrian crossing, he presses the button and he stands there. He's there for like 10 minutes. Another guy comes up and he goes to press the button and the guy goes, "Don't press it. I've already pressed it." And well, I was just going to press it. Don't. I've already pressed it. Well, how long have you been standing here? 10 minutes. Well, I just want to press it. No, don't you press it. I've been standing here. I'm telling you. Are you telling me I don't know how to press a button? No, I'm not saying that. But maybe it would be good to press it again. Why would it be good? Why would your fingers be better than my fingers? It's a bit like that, isn't it? Anyway, so yeah. I don't know how I got onto that. I got confused. Never call when you can moan all day for everything and everyone. That's right. That's right. That's right. I could fix it in 3 seconds. That would be the end of it. No, can't be doing that. No, turn it off and on again. That always works. Pokey Scrow. That's a funny name, isn't it? Doesn't sound right when you say it, does it? Pokey Scrow. I mean, it doesn't. I feel kind of weird when I say it. Pokey Scrow? I mean, what does that mean, by the way? What does it mean? Keep getting me to say these things. What does it mean? Anyway, Virgin Galactic. What sort of show is this? This is nothing like Bloomberg today. Normally, we're just like Bloomberg. We're just like it. We're just like Yahoo Finance. Normally. But today we're more like David Attenborough's Blue Planet today. I think. We're more in depth. We're more real. We got emotion. Yeah, we're more like David Attenborough's Blue Planet today, rather than Bloomberg. It's probably a better thing anyway. That's a key. Hang on. That's turn it off and on again. That's a Key and Peele sketch. I don't know who they are, but I've seen these two guys do it. I don't know what their names are, but I'm assuming that's it. You got to keep on pushing. You have. You got to keep going. You need to do the log out, Martyn. I'm not doing it. I don't think I can log out on my phone. Can I? No, I'm not going to log out because I can't do it. If I log out, all this is not going to work, right? Mike, keep your big fat nose out of it. Don't get involved. I'm in charge, right? I'm not logging out in the middle of my show, all right? It's not happening. right? So keep yourself out of it. It's got nothing to do with you. It's my problem, not yours. Mark Saxby, loving the show today. Got to have a bit of a laugh now and then. Well, you say that, Mark, but, we're all losing money. So we're all laughing. Well, our stocks go down the toilet. I don't know why it's that funny, to be honest. Investment stock, John Brown, Virgin Galactic dies. Oh, my gosh. No, don't tell me that. That'd be another $3,000 down the toilet. My odd name generates confusion. And therefore, you remember it. Classic marketing technique. Classic marketing technique. I think that's rubbish. Just annoying. It's not... Can anyone tell me, Pokey Scrow, is that good marketing or bloody annoying? Let's do a poll. Start a poll. Right, okay, Pokey, you asked for it. He's not even a member. Why am I doing this? He's not even a member. In fact, that's why I'm doing it. That's why I wouldn't do it if he was a member. Right, Pokey Scrow. Marketing strategy. Marketing strategy or just bloody nonsense. Right, bloody nonsense. There you go. There you go. Is it a marketing strategy or is it bloody nonsense? Pokey Scrow. Because he reckons it's marketing. It's marketing. If I do an odd... So from now on, I'm going to be Martyn Lucas with 4 S's at the end. It's not a spelling mistake. It's not annoying. It's a marketing technique. You ready? Pokey Scrow. Marketing strategy or bloody nonsense. All right? I'll let you decide. All right? What's happened? What's happened, Sensei? Everything's happened. You turn up late, you miss out. That's it. You snooze, you lose. It's your bloody... Yes, it is. And if I don't want to log out, I won't log out, see? I won't remember that. You won't remember what? I won't remember that. What won't you remember? I've no idea what you're talking about. Yeah, Pokey Scrow, you think, I am a member. No, Pokey Scrow, you're not a member. You're not a member. You haven't got a badge. Can you see everyone's got a badge? You haven't got a badge. You are not a YouTube member. If you were a YouTube member, there'd be loads of things you'd get. Have you ever received your membership pack? Have you ever received all your presents and your gifts and your bonuses? I'm guessing not. So let me tell you now, you're not a bloody member, right? Look, you want to see who's members? You want to see who's a member? Look, Sensei, he's got a gold badge. Mike, he's got a gold badge. Let me scroll up. Zachzate, he's got a blue badge, right? Members, Signor Pelota Holt, he's got a yellow badge. T.L. Roll, yellow badge. Nonny, blue badge. Stephen Lewandowski, gold badge. Let me scroll down to you. Pokey Scrow, nothing. No badge. No badge. No exclusive content. No birthday treats. No exclusive... I said that already. Loads of stuff. All right? You got none of it. It doesn't matter that you're on Discord. It doesn't matter you're on Discord. That doesn't make you a YouTube member. I've got a Tesco's club card. I've also got a Shell fuel card, a library card, a driver's license. In fact, I got 2 driver's licenses, one from America, one for England. In fact, I got 2 houses, one in England, one in America. Doesn't make me a YouTube member though, does it? No. So think on. Think on. You've got no badge. Do you want to know what the difference is? This is the YouTube membership. This is the YouTube membership link. I'm on Discord. I'm on Discord. Yeah, hang on. He said member. Yeah, he said member, and he ain't a member. All right, right. If you go to that link, it brings you to the membership page. You might need a browser. You need to find out what happens when you get your membership pack. You get a membership bundle and a pack and stuff and swag and souvenirs and stuff. You've got none of it. You'd know if you had. You'd know it, but you don't, right? Membership. Sort your life out. Become a member. Right. I am a member. I'm on Discord. Rubbish. No. Why are we losing money? Is 2004 worse? Prediction. Why are we losing money? John Brown. Let me have a look. Let me go to the only place we can find out this information. And here it is. The crystal ball. There's nowhere else we can go for this information. John Brown. Hang on. Is John Brown a member? Are we going to do a prediction? No, scrub that. We can't do it. We can't do it. He's not a member. No predictions, no members. No member, no prediction. Yeah, Pokey Scrub, you can't vote. You can't do anything. Loads of things you can't do. It has you talking about it basically. Yeah, we're talking about it. We're talking about it. That's all we're doing. It has you talking about it, but yeah, bloody annoying, mate. Yes, bloody annoying. So we've run a poll, and so far 73% say Pokescrow, marketing strategy or bloody nonsense. So far 73% say it's bloody nonsense. So Pokescrow, it's in your head, mate. It's in your head. No one else agrees with you. I'm considering changing my name to Adolf. Just a good, memorable name. Bernard Foxton, you might as well, mate. You might as well call yourself. It's very rememberable. I'm guessing not too. No, nor me. I'm on Discord though. Don't care. Don't care. You're on Discord. He has a He does. He has a member. Sean. He has a member. Badge almost a year. Yeah, Stephen Lewandowski, you'll be gold soon. Right now you're yellow. You know, it's not the same, is it? Gold better. Come on, Pokescrow, join up, man. Yeah, we told him. There is only one Martyn. You are great. There is. You're absolutely right. Of all the billions of people that have ever existed in the history of the world, do you know how lucky you guys are? You guys now watching, there are 45 of you watching right now. There are 9 on TikTok. There's about 6 on Rumble. You could have been born at any time in history, and millions of years in the past or millions of years in the future. You could have been born. But only in this precise moment that you're alive would you get to see me. So, how lucky are you? Think about it. You could have been born millions of years ago or not even born at all. The chances of you being alive now is a gazillion to 1. Billions of people before you, billions after. But yet you're alive right now. And you're alive at the same time as I'm on YouTube TV. How amazing is that? How amazing is it for you right now that you get the chance to watch me on telly? It's amazing. I don't know what else to say. Really, there's nothing more I need to say. Nowhere else can we go to find this information on this channel. Nowhere else we can go to find this information on this channel. Nowhere else we can go to find the... No, you won't. Nobody wants to put this stuff on their channel. That's why. There's nobody else who would do this sort of information. This show is about members. Ha ha. This show is about... Sean Holiday. He's sitting there loving it. Sean Holiday's got his own little jokes going on. Sean Holiday is somewhere in the world. I don't know where he is. Does anyone know? Does anyone know where Sean is? Some guy, random. He could be anywhere. We have members in 39 countries. Sean Holiday. We have members in 39 countries. So he could be anywhere. Sat there in his little house. Or big house. I don't know if it's a big house. Or maybe it's not even a house. Maybe it's an igloo. Maybe it's a boat. Maybe it's a spaceship. I don't know. But he sat there and he's excited because he goes, this show's all about members. He loves it. Martyn, you are funny today. Am I? Not intentionally. Wasn't my intention. I'm not a member. Right. But you've become funny. All of a sudden, it suddenly happened. Like one day you wake up and I'm funny. I was always funny. It's just now you've just noticed. This is how the show has always been. It's because you have just noticed it. All right? You just noticed it. You created a voting poll. Thanks for the free advertising. You're very, very welcome. I don't know why I've done it, because you're not even a member. Bloody nonsense. In fact, Pokiscrow, we've done this now for, you have had centre stage on this show for the last 10 minutes, and you're not even a member. I'm going to end the poll. I'm sick of it. Why am I doing this? Why am I giving this guy all this attention? I don't know. End poll. Let me tell you though, the poll was 81% think you're bloody nonsense. It's got nothing to do with marketing. End poll. Done. 81%. That's an overwhelming majority. Everyone thinks it's rubbish. Have a look what's on Channel 4 in the UK next Monday at 10 p.m, Martyn. Well, you could just tell me. Do I have to now go online, search it? Channel 4 next, not Saturday, next Sunday. No, not Sunday. Monday, 3 o'clock. No. Monday, 4 o'clock. Keep scrolling. Monday, 5 o'clock, 6, 7, 7:30 on Monday, 8 o'clock, 9, 10 o'clock. What's on? I don't know. Tell me what's going on Channel 4 next Monday, 10 p.m. Just tell me, it'd be easier. Bloody go and search it. It's the Martyn Show. Well, it is actually my show. If you actually call up Google and say, who owns Martyn Lucas Investor Channel? They will tell you, Martyn. So ask and you'll be answered, says Zaxay. There you go. Sean is outside your front door at the moment. Martyn, you need to log out. No, I ain't logging out. Martyn, when did you become funny? I'm always been funny. Sensei, always. You just haven't paid attention. I've always been funny. Always been here. My Ford, so did 150 shares, showed me at 23.80. I made a profit at 30. Hang on a minute. We can't talk stocks and shares. We're right in the middle of a nonsense conversation. JP Rothschild, you just got to hold your horses. You're not a member, right? I can't focus on you. Hold your horses. Join now and you'll never regret it. You will. I mean, most of you regret it. If you tell the truth, you all regret it. You get up every morning, you go, oh God, for the last 2 years, I've spent 4 hours a day watching this clown on the telly. There's got to be something else to do. No, I'm going to do. I've had people ring up. I've had people message me. You have no choice. I've had people message me via email, text, Facebook, you name it. They message me, right? And they tell me, I watch you every day. I can't not stop. It's addictive. I have to watch. It's amazing. I have to watch. You've changed my life. I say, I've ruined your life. You used to go out. You used to go for walks. Mike has been here since day one. Mike has spent probably 10 million hours watching my face in this little box. It's not good. It's not healthy, is it? It's not good. It's good for me because I've earned about $6 a day every day for the last 2 years. Apart from that, it's not good for you, is it? It's not good for you. So if you become a member, you will regret it. You'll just become addicted. It's like a drug. It's like a drug, but it's free. In fact, it's not free because you've got to pay $2 a month. So technically, it's like a drug, but you got to pay $2. It's like having a direct debit to a drug dealer. Think of a drug dealer. Go up to him and say, excuse me, can I pay $2 a month direct debit? Standing order. Auto pay. I'm doing the translations around the world here. And he'll go, what do you mean? Well, there's this guy on YouTube. I pay him $2 a month. Every month, $2. Well, I could just come around your house and go, give me some money. No. I want a standing order, direct debit, auto pay. Do I get points back? Yeah. If you use a money back cash card, you get points back. What do I get for being a member? Nothing. You just get addicted. Okay, I'm in. I'm up for it. That's all you got to do. Antiques Roadshow. What's that got to do with it? Yeah, that's what's on Channel 4. Yeah. One day he doesn't care if you watch him or not and said he isn't a YouTuber. Now he doesn't want to give you attention unless you're a member. There you go. Chris Morrison. Get out of it, Chris Morrison. What are you on about? We're having some comedy humour here. We are right in the middle of a log out. We're right in the middle of a log out. We got 15 minutes to go. I'm joking. I've been here 2 years. Of course, I know you're funny. Oh, see, he's got a check now. Sensei's got a check to make sure he hasn't upset me. He's got to come back from the brink going, hang on a minute. Hang on. Does he realise that I was having a joke? No. I need to read that again. Is that a full apology? Let me read it. I'm joking. Comma. There should be a comma there. I have been here 2 years. Of course I know you are funny. We have had many laughs on this shows. He means these shows, you know. I'm glad he's better at charts than he is at writing stuff. I had many laughs on this shows. It is what it is. This is why this is the best live YouTube TV, not YouTube show in the world. You missed out in the world. So if you're going to write like an apology, can you spell it right and complete it? Otherwise, it's a bit annoying, to be honest. I have to translate your messages. Compulsive viewing. There it is. It's compulsive viewing. You know it. So I wouldn't become a member if I was you. Because the moment you become a member, you think, I pay for this, I've got to watch. It makes you even more addicted. Because when you're paying for it, you think, I've got to watch. I'm paying $2.99 a month. I've got to get my money's worth. $2.99, you've got to watch 4 hours a day, 5 days a week for the month, which is about 0.000001 cent an hour. So unless you're watching that, you're not getting value for money. So make sure that you do. Otherwise, it's not good value for money. Ha ha! It's probably a good idea. Martyn doesn't watch on Monday. Why? What is on Monday? What was funny? Chris is going, what was funny? I don't get it. Chris is going, what was funny? I don't get it. Why is he always having he's sitting there going, why is he always having a go at me? I don't know why he's always having a go at me. Why is he always having a go at me? I ain't got a clue what's going on. Signor Piloto Halt. Don't know why I do that. I just do. What about the furore when you went offline for one day? Oh my God. Can you remember that? I tell you who the ringleader was. Sensei Crypto. He was the ringleader of that. I noticed. I saw who the ringleader was. Oh, yes, they were stirring the pot. They were mixing it up. Where's he gone? He's not coming on until he gets 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, I watched it. I saw the furore that went on that day. Jojo S. It was chaos that day. YouTube have never experienced chaos like it. Right? Yes. He's messed up my brain. Yes, I have. Basically, you're all like addicted now. You don't even know why. It's like psychological. And the more I talk, the more you don't have a clue what's going on now, do you? Can't even spell anymore. Correct. You can't. You're one of the worst. He is buying drugs with the $2 a month. Nice. Bloody hell, says Mike. Mike, buggy eyes, 2 years addicted. There he is. Drug dealer is so 1980s. They are referred to as a nighttime pharmacist. So, yeah, but you see, 1980s, that was me. Adam and the Ants. That's me. Madness. Stand and deliver. Look, ready? Stand and deliver your money or your life. It's good, that, isn't it? You can't believe it. Bit of the 80s. And what else can I do? Never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. No, it's easy to pretend the way I dance with you. See, you can't believe it, can you? You can't believe it. Come a chameleon. You come and go. You come and go. You can't believe you've walked into this, can you? What about Richard Marx? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. You can't believe it. You can't believe it. What about the late 80s? I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. You can't believe it, can you? You can't believe it. Yes, I'm sure. Mike says, Jojo S. Mike. Nicola dropped a lot. Yes. Nicola, no surprise. I'm only no surprise there. I even started my own live show in protest. He did. He tried to. He came on and says, everybody, come and watch my show. By the way, me and Sensei, we had words about that. Later on in the evening, we had words. You don't want to know what words we said. You don't want to know. He called me up and said, I'm sorry about that. I just thought I was trying to help out. I said, well, don't do it again. Don't do it again, telling everyone to go and watch your live stream right in the middle of my... What sort of show do you think this is? I'm sorry. Are you being serious? Yes. Are you? I can never tell if you're being serious or not. Yes. Are you being serious? Like, really serious? Like, are you really upset with me? 2 years now, I've been phoning in, doing charts. I do one thing wrong. Are you serious? Yes. I can't. You're just joking, aren't you? I can tell you're laughing. No. Serious. He still doesn't know to this day. Wow, Gabriel is going to zero. Wow, Gabriel is going to zero. Why did I say zero? Zero. No idea what that means. Bronski beat. Oh yeah. What's the name of the song? What was the song they did? What was the song? I can't think of it. Tell me the song. You should be out of memory by now. Good God. Yes, don't you worry about my memory. He isn't a YouTuber. Echo. One man dude can sing. Oh man dude can sing. Yes. I could do loads of things. I could do, you know, Chris Morrison, you won't believe this. You ready? What have we got 7 minutes. Look, you won't believe this. You ready? Chris Morrison, this is for you. Even though you're not a member. Pavarotti. Mil mi mistroi vi cosoin me. Hila mi on som sapra. No, chulaba cap quando splendara. Alba vincerò. That's got to be worth at least a $5 super chat. You would not get this anywhere in the world, folks. You do not realize you're seeing the best entertainment in the world. And the chances of you being alive and seeing it is pretty amazing. I think you'll agree. Anyway, sorry, I didn't mean to start him singing. Mark, it's your fault. I'd like to hear him sing Grand Canyon. I've never heard of it. Loved your impression of Macca singing Wet, Wet, Wet a moment ago. That's funny. Oh, cheeky bugger. I'll give you that. I loved your impression of Macca singing Wet, Wet. That's Keaton S. He's being funny. He's coming on here, throwing his weight around, trying to be funny. Ricky Gervais does Jimmy Somerville. Oh, yeah. You ready? Ricky Gervais does Jimmy Somerville. Don't leave me this way. I can't survive. I can stay alive without your love. Don't leave me this way, baby. Remember that? You can't believe it, can you? Don't leave me this way, Jojo S. That's why everyone needs to subscribe to his... I know. That's why everyone needs to subscribe to my music channel. Mike, they're not listening. They don't pay any attention, mate. They don't pay any attention. Look, here's the channel link. 10,000 subscribers, I can do a fundraiser with no fees for those in Hawaii. Have I got 10,000 subscribers? No. Does anybody watch my music channel? No. No bugger watches it. I produce quality stuff and no one watches it. If I sat on the end of my bed with a guitar and strum a guitar badly out of tune, everybody would watch it. I'd have millions of subscribers. Take the effort to make a video, no one cares. That's just the way it is. Can I borrow $2 to be a member? No. We're not a bank. It's not what we do here. You can't get addicted if I lend you the money. Right? I get addicted to me lending you money, and that's not the way it works. Can everyone please smash the likes? I said sing at the Grand Canyon. Oh, I see. Sing at the Grand Canyon. I see. Well, why didn't you just say that then? Done, Sensei. Smashed. He is pressing the button to sound like that. He has a midget hiding under the desk. There's nothing. It's just me. It's just me. Look, Neil Diamond. You ready? Neil Diamond. Hello again. Hello. I just called to say hello. I think about you every night. And I'm home again. And I forgot the words. Hello. See? No one else could do this. If you'll lend me £10, I'll buy you a drink. Fair play. Bell, 3 minutes. Done. Sensei, smashed. I've read all the comments. I got through it. I got the Sensei bell here. Have that. There you are. I've gone close up. We're doing close-ups tonight. There's no messing around tonight. Tonight, I thought, sod it. We're doing close-ups. The bell is in your face. There's the bell. Can anyone see that? This is a solid brass bell. By the way, when I bought this bell, Sensei said, can I get a bell that you can ring every day? Blow, whatever. I said, yeah. He said, okay, I've seen a few on Amazon, like $10, whatever. I said, should I just get it and then you send the money? He says, yeah, all right. I went, right, you bugger. So I went out and found the best, most expensive bell there was. Solid brass, antique handle from the Titanic, right? This is the brass from the actual bell from the Titanic. It's been custom made. It's so amazing. It even shows my fingerprints. Look at that. See, all right. And is this live? Yes, it's live. What do you think this is? And I said, I've got the bell. And he said, great. How much do I owe you? Is it $10? It looks quite nice, that bell. $20. I said, no, 360. He went, what? 360 bucks? Yeah, mate, it's from the Titanic. Best quality here. Best quality. Anyway, 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. We're going to ring the bell. Oh, God. What sort of show is this? What does it say on the bell? What do you mean, what does it say on the bell? Titanic Sensei Crypto. That's what it says on the bell. Right. Just look. Just have a closer look. What does it say on the bell? There's nothing actually written on the bell. It's just, can you not see the word Sensei Crypto? Can you, if I hold it there, can you see the reflection? Can you see it if I turn it? Can you see it if I turn it? 40 seconds. Is this live? Mason Muffins. OLO. Never looked at Twitch for trading. Mason Muffins. Yes, it's live. I'm talking to you, Mason's Muffins. How you doing? I'm on YouTube right now. Come and join me. Damn, you have a lot of Sensei stuff. His cup, his bell. I hope not. The $100 bell. 20 seconds to go. What are you looking at right now? A lot. I'm clueless. That's all right, mate. You're in the right place then. We're all clueless here. We try to lose as much money as possible. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the bell. There we go. We got this guy over here. He's over on Mason's Muffins. He's over there on Twitch. Shall I show Twitch on the screen? Shall I show him to the world? He's going, hang on a minute. I don't want to get famous. Yeah, you do. Here he is. Mate, this is you on Twitch. This is you. So there you go. Do you want me to give you the link to YouTube? Do you want me to give the link to YouTube? Do you just want to join us? Hang on. Hang on. On TikTok, I've been taken off TikTok. Bitcoin, what does it say? Your access to has been restored. And multi-guest, your access to go live and multi will be restored on the first mobile gaming restored on what the hell? Hate speech, hateful behaviors. I've been banned on TikTok for hateful behaviors. Could you believe this? Right? Can you believe it? Do you agree with the decision? No. I've misunderstood my live video. TikTok misunderstood my live video. There we go. Submit. Done. appeal, submit. There you go. Just got taken off TikTok. See how ridiculous it is. How ridiculous is it? You can't say anything. You can't even have a joke anymore in this world. What's going on? Yeah, apparently. Yeah, I'm off air. I've been taken off air again. See, this is how good this show is, folks. You actually get the real deal here. I realise $1,200 bell. Believe me, Martyn showed us his underwear live one day. We were traumatised. Don't ask. Oh, yeah, that was bad. That was bad. I'll give you that. I'll give you that, Jojo S. That was a bad day. That ain't happening again. This isn't live, is it? No, it's not live. Mike, it's not live. Oh, man, can't believe it. I'm trying to find the stream stuff to go to you. The stream stuff? Here, I'll give you the link. Here, I'll give you the link. I'll make it easy for you. I don't know why. I will. Look, let me do it for you. Let me give you the link. Let me give you the link, right? I'll come all the way and find you in Twitch. Look, there you are, Mr. Muffin. And I'm the Muffin Man. Does anyone know them? There they are. There's the link, look. Do you know them? Do you know the Muffin Man? I'm the Muffin Man. Have you seen the Muffin Man? You've all seen the Muffin Man. He's here every day. That's what we do. Here to lose money. Yes. It's the Lose Money Show. Yes, thank you. I've given it to you. That was a bad day, Jojo. It was a bad day. Don't remind me. I have PTSD. One of many. How did you manage 2 years? Bloody hell, the underwear. It's because you're bold, just like me. And Andrew Tate, don't worry about it. There you go. It's because I'm bold. You're right. I'm scared to ask what he has of senseis now. I need therapy. We all need therapy. Log out, back in again. I don't know how to find the stream on YouTube. Found your channel. Much appreciated. TikTok and Facebook is ridiculous. Isn't it ridiculous? Isn't it absolutely ridiculous? They encourage you to use their platform. This is my livelihood. This is my business. Think about it, folks. This is my job. Imagine if you went to work and you got fired every day. You just walked into work and they went, "You're fired." Well, what do you mean? You're fired. Well, why? Well, because we don't know why. We just keep making mistakes. Yeah, but I got to pay a mortgage. You're fired. That's what it's like. It's ridiculous. Anyway, that's why you all subscribe to my newsletter, right? It's all good. Got it. Howdy. Is this Justin, mate? Is this the Muffin Man? Here is the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. How do I remove my name from this? How do you remove your name? You can't, mate. The whole world can see it. Yeah. Should you not be here? Have you escaped prison? I don't know. If your name shouldn't be on screen, then you're in trouble because I've just shown it everywhere. Sensei, message me after and offer me Chris Morrison. What's going on? Martyn, can you upgrade me from here for being a Discord member? No, you're not. Pokescrow, you're not a member on Discord. You're just a person on Discord. We don't. You're not a member on Discord, okay? This is a paid membership plan. I can't give you all the perks and benefits because you happen to be on Discord. Everybody's on Discord. Anyway. So many people get away with so much more and actually bad stuff, but hardworking people get banned. I know. It's like it all the time. It actually, if I focus on it for 10 seconds, I will get really angry because and I know all of those OnlyFans people who just basically leave all their morals at the door, don't care what they say, don't care what they do, make no effort, don't care about their audience, just there to make money. That's okay. Someone who builds a TV studio, who goes live every day to a schedule, puts every effort in, really does work. These are the things. I can't get anyone to watch my music. I mean, that's hard. It can be heartbreaking if I think about it. I try not to. I produce the best quality music you can do. So Elton John named me World Piano. I performed at the Phantom of the Opera, and each video I put out, with all the production gets 20, 30 views. Someone can mess around, not care, and make millions, get everyone watch. Someone can go on TikTok. There's one guy on TikTok who's famous for peeling an onion. No, a tomato. Millions of followers. Doesn't care about you. Doesn't care about his product. Doesn't have a product. Doesn't have any discipline, any structure, no quality. Doesn't work at it. Rubbish. Millions of followers. I get taken off TikTok for having a laugh. It happens all the time. No one watches my music. Minimum people watch this channel, but we're growing steadily. But it's, you know, someone else talks rubbish and gets tens of thousands for doing nothing. It's heartbreaking sometimes, but there it is. That's how it is. So you're dead right, Sensei, there. It's frustrating. Now you can see why we need platforms like Kick and Rumble. I do. I just don't know why you just, I don't know. Just never actually used comments on YouTube before. Aha. Well, now you have. Now you have. Muffin Man, how did you strand at Twitch? How did you strand at Twitch? Justin, change your YouTube name in the settings. Justin Mason. Yeah, you can change your name to anything you like. I tend to be my actual name. We could start on that, but we're not going to. My name is actually Martyn Lucas, which is my actual name. Martin, I am paying on Discord, buddy. Aha! I now understand. Now, hang on a minute. I'm glad. Are you one of those? Because there's a few people that have become members on Discord, actual members, and that's what you're talking about, who I've never spoke to. So, Pokescrow. Your ad is what's all that? Oh, hang on. I need to explain a couple of things to you. I've never got the chance to talk to you. So thank you for coming in and giving me the chance to talk to you, because I want you to understand exactly what's going on. YouTube members is when you click on this link and become an actual YouTube member. That's how you get all the perks and all the benefits. A couple of people have made the mistake. It's not really a mistake, but they've gone into Discord. I've never said go into Discord and become a member. Never said those words. But we have about 10 people on Discord who are paid members. Most of them do it because they want to support me to provide the service on Discord, because the Discord is a useful service. Gives you a lot of stuff. I don't make any money from doing Discord, and a number of people, we've got like nearly 800 people on Discord, but about 10 pay a couple of bucks a month to be a member because they want to support the service. You don't have to. It's a choice you obviously chose, and I appreciate it. If you don't want to, you can cancel it. You did it out of the goodness of your heart, and I appreciate it. But it's not the same as being a YouTube member. All right? And over on Discord, whenever you are in the chat, you're in green and you have a heart of gold. So if you go into Discord right now and you go into the welcome all, if you are a YouTube member, if you are a member, right? A Discord member, if you go hello in here, this is Discord, the welcome all screen. Say hello in Discord. Your name will be in green and you will have a heart of gold badge. I will see it. So if you want to do that and let everyone see you, you can. Just go and welcome all and say hello and I will see you. However, that is nothing to do with being a YouTube member. It's a completely different thing. People do it just to support my Discord server. If you want all the perks and benefits, then you become a YouTube member. It's the same price as being a Discord member. Some people do both because they support the channel. They support the system. You don't have to be. But if you want all the perks and benefits and be recognized in the shows, then you need to be a YouTube member. There he is. There he is. There's Pokescrow. Look. Pokescrow. He is a member over here. Now, if you become a YouTube member, I would upgrade this account. Because right now, you can only see the public channels. There he is. Look. You can't call into the show. You can't get exclusive contents. You don't have a badge on YouTube. I don't make videos for you. There's no polls for you. Exclusive content, members only live shows, discounts for the shop, birthday surprises, 20-minute fundraiser gigs, so many things. It's completely separate. So if you don't want this anymore, you can cancel it. But this was never what I talked. I never invite anyone to do this. They do it because they want to support the server and they want to help grow the server and so on. There's about 10 people and they all know who you are because you are in green with a Lucas Aid badge and everyone knows it's you. So that people when you go around the server appreciate and say hello to you. All right? Does that make sense? Okay. I can make that 21 or 31 if you would like. I can make that 21 or 31. I have no idea what that means, says Justin. Pokisco, thanks for supporting the Discord, but you don't get the perks. I recommend being as well, or you can cancel. There you go. Sensei has explained it as well to you. Very frustrating. I built all my houses with the best I could, and someone else built rubbish and sells there for more. Yes, there you go. Mike gets it. I built all my houses with the best I could. My dad, Mike, you would have liked my dad. My dad died at 68, which was about 20 years ago. And my dad was a coach builder. He was an entertainer. He played the drums. His band supported the Beatles in the 60s. He used to play for the Victor Sylvester Dance Orchestra, which is the same as the Glenn Miller Band in America during the war. It's quite famous, my dad was. And but he was a builder as well. He built houses, coach builder, proper houses, made out of stone masonry, proper. And houses that would last forever, like castles. You build them, they last 1,000,000 years. That's what my dad used to do. But today, my dad wouldn't get a job if he was alive because they want cheap crap. Sad, isn't it? It's very sad, but that's how it is. Anyway, how's your Kenview doing, Martin? Saw it recently joined the SNP. No, it joins the SNP on Friday, and my Kenview is nowhere to be seen. It's like an invisible thing at the moment. It doesn't exist. It's still in my J&J ZZZ channel, and it's driving me up the bloody twist. And in fact, I'm going to make a video on it in a minute. Look, here it is. You've fired me up again now. I keep forgetting, and then people come in and remind me. Look, there it is. There it is. How's your Kenview? Don't ask. Max, that's a sensitive topic. Yeah. Hey, Mike. But you can sleep at night and you will end up at the rock and roll party in the sky one day for being a great bloke. That's right. Max H, that's what the last 30 minutes conversation started from. Don't. Yeah. Thanks, my friend. Oops. Yeah. Cancel anytime. No credit card required. There you go. Does that mean Discord could be used for an income stream? Yes. Yes, Chris Hargreaves. Yes, I wish I had. Right now, I have 10 people that are members of my Discord. I never ask anyone to I never invite anyone. You do it because you just want to help out, right? Here it is. On top of the server subscription. Some people want to be recognized as supporting the channel, and at some point in the future, there may be benefits I can give to you, but right now it's just there. And yeah, we have about 10 people that do it. And you know where they are because look, they got green names with hearts of gold around it. But yeah, it's a revenue stream. It earns me about, I don't know, $30 a month, something like that. I think it is. After tax, something like that. So yeah. But I've got 800 people on there. Was it 680 or 780? Yeah, 775. Look, can you imagine if everyone, look, 775. Can you imagine if everybody was a member at $2? Bloody hell. Be like $1,400 a month, wouldn't it? So yeah, if you can get everyone to do it, it's brilliant. Anyway. I'm saying I'd be happy to check out your music. Justin Mason, here is my music channel. Here it is. I'm trying to get 10,000 subscribers. There you go. Cool, mate. Thank you very much. What do you get for 500? Nothing. When I get to, hang on, no. When you get to, I think it was 500, yes, you become a public server and more people can find you. However, I passed 500 and nothing happened. And the reason why nothing happened, it told me we don't have enough engagement yet. And that's why every day I say, go into the breakfast lounge and say hello. That's all you got to do. But only Mike, Stephen, Fibonacci Blue, Sensei does it. About 4 people do it. If everyone did it, I'd have enough engagement, would then be a public server, and then we'd grow even faster, right? But only about 4 people can be bothered. Said you have yeah, on here. You're talking about YouTube. Yes, I have 10,300 subscribers on here. Yes, I have 10,300 subscribers on here and 5,500 on my music channel. I have 36,000 followers on TikTok, 15,000 or 10,000 on my music on Facebook. Yeah. Ask me anything you want about YouTube, I'll tell you. Anyway, right, I've got through all the questions. Right, I've got through all the questions. We've got to wrap up the show because I want to go and make this Robinhood video. I want to go and make the Robinhood video. Kenview, PLTR, on fire. Space, down the toilet. I like it. Right. Virgin Galactic, you talk about it. It's going up now, though, in the after hours look. Mullen is going to zero. Look at that. Look how much money I've lost with Mullen. What happened to you, Jet? Don't start on it again. Don't start on it again. The S&P, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia. Right. Has everyone seen the Nvidia video? Has everyone seen it? I put a lot of work into this. Everyone. I need everyone's help. $3 is the bottom. $3 the bottom of what? Right. Day trade. Is everyone still here? Yeah. See, people just don't leave, do they? Well, I've got to make the Robinhood video. So I'm going to have to go because I've got to go and make a Robinhood video. I'm going to go and make it, and it's going to be my best video ever. Martin, did you get your... Don't start me on that. In fact, I tell you what we could do. We could go members only, and you can all be in the making of the Robinhood video. Do you want to be in the Robinhood video? Right, but like a full production video. I mean a full production video. Okay, so what we're going to do now? We're going to end the stream. And don't forget to log out. Right, I want all these comments in it. Right, I want all these comments. Right, you ready? Okay, we'll go members only. All right. And I'm going to make the Robinhood video. Right, members only. What happened in the market today? The show is finished. We're going members only, and we're going to make this video together. Full production. Best video ever. Right? All the overlay special effects, that will happen afterwards, but this is just the making of it, right? So here we go. Members only in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Might need to do a video on how to go completely mad about bloody Mullen rip-off merchants. Yeah. Yeah. We might do that as well. Right, here we go then. So let me think about this for a minute. So I've ended that over there. Right. Okay, here we go. So I need to get the show's now finished. For all of you watching now, it's finished, okay? I'm going to use the J&J snoozing account. There you go. This stock, right, I'm going to use that. I'm going to use Kenview. Got that. We need green lights for Robinhood. Right. Green lights for Robinhood. Might need to do a film on how to log out. Here's Mohammed. Mohammed Kahain. Here he is. Mohammed Kahain's here. We're doing it with the show's finished. Mohammed. We're making a Robinhood video now, right? We're making a Robinhood video, but it's going to be full production. This is. You ain't never seen anything like it. You ain't never seen a night like it. All right, here we go. You ready? So line all this up. I'm going to clear that away because I need more space on the screen for this. So I need. Okay. Where this is for those if you've just tuned in, we are making a video and this is something we've never done before, okay? So, I'm going to go to different sections of the studio. Camera 1. So I want to start off by introducing I Am Bloody Angry, and I'm going to do, I wonder if I can do a, yeah, I want to do, yeah, put the spotlight on, and, okay, bring the spotlight up. Okay. That's what I need. Right. Okay. I need this microphone. Right. Get that out of there. So if you just tuned in, this is what we're doing. We're making videos. Right. I want that. I want to go to a close-up. Right. Okay. We'll do a couple of shots. Okay. I'll be down here first of all. Right. Okay, that looks pretty good. Oi, Robinhood, where's me money? Whoa, where's me money? Coming after you, where's me money? Okay, I want that there. That'll do. Robinhood, where is my money? You took my money from J&J. You stuck it in a little place called J&J ZZZ, and now all my money's gone. It was supposed to be transferred into Kenview. I don't see it. Where's it gone? Ooh. Right, that one there. Right. Okay. Robinhood, hang on, get up at this petition. Robinhood, riding through the glen. Robinhood, with his band of men. Where's me J&J? Where's me Kenview? Ooh. Okay, we got that. All right. We'll come back over to the front again. Okay. So we're going to, I want some comments. I want some comments. I don't need to prove anything to you or anyone. I've got no idea what Mohammed's saying there. Might need to learn how to log out and back in again without forgetting his password. Anyway, you ready? So, now then. So, Robinhood, where is my money? A few days ago, you emailed me and you said, hey, would you like to transfer your shares from J&J to Kenview? And I said, yes. How do you do? So I did it. So then on Friday, my shares disappeared from J&J. They went down by about 50%, which is fine because that's about the amount that I asked to do, 50%. So that worked okay. And then where did it go? I shall show you. Then we'll cut to this scene. And let's put this on the screen. Okay. So this is where my shares ended up. They went out of J&J and ended up in here. J&J ZZZ. J&J ZZZ means J&J sleeping. Oh, yes, it did. The problem is, if you look at the bottom of the screen, it says this stock is not supported on Robinhood. Now, that's fine because I understand there's going to be some sort of delay to this. However, that was Friday. No email from Robinhood, so I have no idea what's going on. So I'm a little bit stressed about it. Are you stressed about it? Leave me your comments below. I'll reply to you. So I want to know where my shares have gone. If we look into Kenview, this is my Kenview. There's nothing in here. I've got no money. Nothing's in Kenview. It's still not in here. It's stuck in the J&J ZZZ account. Now, what I want to know, what I'm concerned about is, did I get J&J sold Friday night at the top? That's when it came out of my account. I'm assuming so. So that would be good. But did I buy Kenview when Kenview was at the bottom on Friday? If we look at Kenview on Friday, if we go back a couple of days, it was up here, and I wanted to. This was Friday, just down here. This is where I wanted to buy it, down here. This was Friday. If you look here, the 18th, this is when it went all the way down. I wanted my Kenview to arrive here. Ever since then, it's been rising. So what I don't want to find out is the fact that it didn't go here, it hasn't arrived, and it keeps going up as it heads up to the S&P on Friday. So you might be like me. You might be a little bit concerned and thinking, where's your money gone? Well, on Friday, we're led to believe it should be in the S&P. It's going to rise again. Kenview is going to keep going up. And what we don't want to have happen is our J&J arrive at Kenview when the stock has risen all the way back up. And as you can see, it's risen today 3.5%. Well, the idea was I could get a 7% discount on Kenview. Well, if it arrives here 4 or 5 days later, I could have sold J&J and just bought Kenview before it popped up. So what's going on? Are you concerned? Are you worried? So anyway, what is going on? Leave me your thoughts below. Okay. I'm going to cut it there. Now then, I want to add your comments. What do you think about this? So anyone leave a comment now, I will put on the screen. I'm going to grab all your comments and save them. So make a comment now about J&J and Kenview. And I'll add it. How's your Kenview? Oh, there's one. Max H. Okay. That's a sensitive topic. Hey, Mike. Okay, Max H. I'm going to save that into favorites. So do a Ken view or a J&J comment. Let's have a look. Oops. Counts at any time. Doesn't mean Discord. I'm scrolling down. I'm looking for comments about Robinhood's where Martyn Lucas stocks at. There you go. Robinhood. There you go. I'm going to have that one. Oh, here's when it comes in. I'll react to it. When it comes in, I'll react to it. Let me get into the right place. I want to be. Nonny just said to me he donated a $2 super chat.
Stocks at
Robinhood's where Martyn Lucas's stocks are at. That's right. Robinhood have taken my stocks. What's going on? Right, I'll add that. Says you have 10,000. What happened to your J&J? There we go. Where did you get, Martyn, did you get your Ken view yet? Okay. And don't forget to log out. Oh, okay. That'll be useful. What happened with the market today? Mullen. Might do a video on completely mad about Mullen. Yes. Okay. Okay. Robinhood. Where's Martyn Lucas's stocks at? That's funny. Nonny, I can do that. I like that one. We'll use that one. Martyn, did you get your Ken view yet? Would you laugh if you woke up one day and Robert gave all shares to the poor? It's all in their name. I doubt Mr. Kahine. Jimmy smiles. Robinhood is saying you need to log out and back in again. No, they're not saying that. Okay, Robinhood. There we go. Let's bring that one up. Okay, Robinhood is a great stock. Put the donation into Mullen. Did you really invest? Okay. I've got my favorites. Okay, here we go. So let's see what we've got here. Right. Okay, let me go over to this position here, J&J. All right. So here are some of my comments from my viewers all about Robinhood, J&J and KenView. So first of all, Max H said, how's your KenView doing, Martyn? Saw it recently, joined the S&P. Yes, it joined the S&P, but without me. I don't know where it is, Max H. Ooh, and then he says, oops, yeah, sorry. Yeah, people keep asking me where my KenView stocks have gone. Martyn, what happened to your J&J? You know what happened to my J&J. It's gone down the road with Robinhood. No one knows where it is. I'm getting very frustrated. Niels, Martyn, did you get your KenView yet? Niels, you know I didn't get my KenView. What's going on with you? What's going on? Oh, yes. And Mike reckons if you log out of Robinhood and back in again, turn it off, turn it on again, it might be there. No, that's not how it works, Mike. You should know better than that. What's going on? Nonny315 says, Robinhood, where's Martyn Lucas's stocks at? Yes, where are my stocks at? I've been without my stocks now for 4 days, since Friday. Got no money. I can't trade. My account's down by $3.5 grand. Where's it going? Nonny's right. You're right there, Nonny. Neil says, hi, Martyn. Did you get your KenView yet? Why are you asking me the same question? You know full bloody well I haven't got it. Jojo S says, wouldn't you laugh if you woke up one day and Robinhood gave all your shares to the poor and it's all in their name? That could happen. And there ain't nothing I can do about it. Jojo S, where's my money? Where's my money? Robinhood is saying you need to log out and back in again. No, it's not. Robinhood is not saying that. Why are you making this stuff up? Let's go down. For our last comment is Nonny315 said, super chat, Robinhood, where's Martyn Lucas's stocks at? Yes, indeed. Where's my stocks at? Okay, I've got a few cutaways there. What else do I need? I've done the thing. Okay, right. So Anyway, during the making of this video, a lot was sacrificed. Indeed, it was. I turned the studio green. I danced. I performed. I entertained like a performing monkey. Indeed, I did, for your entertainment and delight. So if all of that has been entertaining to you, then consider smashing the like button and subscribing to my channel. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Here he is. You can just tap him on the head, bop, 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 like that, and like my video. Now, if you don't like the video, it's absolutely fine, but think of this little fella. Think of this little fellow here. Okay? Think of this little fellow here. If you don't like and tap him on the head, he gets very, very upset. So make sure that you do tap him on the like button. And I've been told if you tap him on the head and you like the video, like magic, your Kenview stocks appear. It's amazing. Okay, we've got that. And what else should I do? At the beginning of the video, watch to the end of this video. At the end of this video, you can win. In fact, I won't do it there. I'll do it here. Welcome to the Robinhood lair, where our stocks just disappear. But what's not going to disappear is if you watch to the end of this video, you can win $204 in cash. Look at this. Here it comes. A big bag of money from Robinhood. Okay, there we go. Now, if you made it to the end of the video, did you find this big bag of money? There it is. Well, hopefully you will be lucky and you will win $204 in cash. Join us for the live event when we do draw it. You don't need to be present to win. It just makes it more fun. All right, there we go. I've got lots of cutaways. Jimmy smiles, that good. It's all... okay, we've been making videos, folks. That's what we've been doing. Any more cutaways? I think we got everything. I've got a close-up. I've got cutaways. I've got the ending. I'm going to add some Robinhood music. I'm going to add a dancing Robinhood. I think we're good. I think we're good. Right. I'm going to get on and make the video. Okay. I think we'll wrap up. Before I go, any questions from anyone? We've just been having a bit of fun making a video. Oh, the NVIDIA video is doing well, so that's good. I think we can call it a day. Jimmy smiles, that good. It's all good. Jimmy smiles. We've got a guest. Jimmy smiles. Mullen is $10. Let's go. Mullen to buy out Tesla and Twitter. Oh yeah, Mullen. Oh my God. Shall we make a video about Mullen at the end? Shall we make a no? We are doing. Are we doing earnings? If not, let me know what time I have to call. Yeah, earnings is. Are we doing earnings? Earnings is. I have a sore throat and can't speak. Sensei, earnings is tomorrow night. It's not tonight. It's tomorrow night. Earnings is tomorrow night. What earnings are you looking at, Sensei? Are we doing earnings? Shall we do? In fact, shall we do Mullen? Let's do some Mullen. Okay. We'll do Mullen. Who wants to be in on the Mullen video? Anybody? Now, think of things that I might add. NVIDIA, it's tomorrow night. I'm glad you watched the video and paid attention. Yeah, I'm glad you watched the video and paid attention. Because if you'd watched the video and paid attention, you would know it's August the 23rd, which is tomorrow, even in England. Even in England. So think on. Think on. I now have written down, you never watched the video, even though you said you did. Right? Mullen. Let's do a video for Mullen. Who wants to be in on it? Okay, send me some Mullen comments, some funny Mullen comments, and I will add it. Okay. Are we doing earnings? I have a sore throat. Nvidia. I think Mullen combined. I think F should buy Mullen and combine both to see if we can get a dollar out of them. Okay, Nonny, that can be in the video. So if you want to make a joke or something you want to say about Mullen, say it and I shall add it. Okay, Mullen. I'm going to turn the studio red because it has to be red for this, doesn't it? Okay. Mullen. What are we going to do for Mullen? Okay. What should we do for Mullen? Virgin Orbit and Mullen. Virgin Orbit and Mullen merger. There you go. That's a good question. I can use that. Is there going to be a Virgin Orbit and a Mullen merger? And I can do some rockets crashing into cars and stuff, all right? Okay. That's Mullen is a joke itself. There we go. Niels. Okay. Got 3 comments there. Right, Mullen. Okay. So we'll do Mullen at the end. I've got this. And if you want to add some funny comments, you can. Right, Mullen. There we go. Mullen will merge with OnlyFans and we'll get the word out. I like that one. I think you should start saying Mullen going to $10 and how bullish you are. Yeah, I've got to be careful. It's got to be obvious it's a joke, though. It's got to be obvious it's a joke. It's got to be obvious, right? Okay. Okay, let's do it. We got Mullen. Breaking news here on Mullen. Ooh, Mullen, are you still in? Well, I got some good news for you. I've got some great news. You're going to love this. You're going to love it so much. You're going to be so happy that you tuned into this video because you found out some stuff you couldn't find anywhere else. Nobody else will tell you this. I'm pretty sure no one else is going to tell you this. Well, I've got some news for you. Mullen, just a few moments ago, Dave Mitchery phoned me up, says, Martyn, I've been watching your videos and I've noticed what's been going on and I want to finally come on your show. I've got some news. I've got some news that you're going to love. Dave, what is it? What do you have for me? I wasn't quite that excited when he called me up. I tried to be professional, but that's what I was feeling inside. Inside, I was thinking, this is great. I finally got him on the phone. He then went to me, said, Martyn, I got some news and I want you to share it on a video. I went, I can actually tell people what you're telling me on this phone call. Yes, you can, because I got people who call me up. I got people who tell me things. Are you sure? Because I can't be ranting and raving about your channel and telling everybody how great it is. I've got to tell the truth. Yeah, you can tell everybody exactly what I'm telling you now. Fantastic. Dave, tell me all about it. Okay, Mr. Mitchery, give me your information. So we had a private conversation. I read it all down and now I'm sharing it with you on this video. And I'm very excited to share with you some wonderful information on Mullen. Are you sitting tight? Now, I'm going to tell you now, before I tell you the information, you won't hear it. It'll be silent. It'll be absolutely silent unless you tap me on the head just about there, right? And smash the like button. If you don't, you won't hear it. Let me just wait a second. Have you done it? Okay. Now you can hear me, right? Well, Dave said to me, he said, Martyn, we've got some good news. What we need to do is we need to get the stock price up. I said, that would be great. He said, so what we're going to do, we've done a deal. We're doing a merger. Okay. With who? And I'm thinking, who they're doing a merger with? Is it going to be Tesla? Is it going to be, who's it, Ferrari? I mean, we mentioned Ferrari before. Is it going to be Ferrari? Who's it going to be? Just wait for it. Okay, we're going to do a reverse split. What, again? Another, we have to get it up to $1. We have to get up to $1. I said, what is it this time? 100 for one. 100 for one. 100 for 1. So we've already had several 30s and 20s and 50s, and now we're having 100 for 1. So basically, if I do my maths correctly, about $125.36, I can buy the entire company. He didn't like that. He thought that was a bit cheeky. But I thought, well, I'm just going to say how it is, mate. I mean, really. And he said, well, no, we're going to do 100 for 1 reverse split. Right? Okay. But who's the merger? Who are we merging with? What's the good news? He said we're gonna merge with another well-known company which will get the information out there. And I said, I know I've seen you on other YouTube channels. I've seen you on other YouTube channels. Very dodgy YouTube channels. I've been inviting you for ages to come onto my channel, but you wouldn't come on. You only ever go on. And he said, no, this time do it right. So we're gonna merge with a well-known company, and we believe it will really benefit the stock. So at this point in the conversation, I'm really excited. I'm thinking, I can't wait to make this video. I can't wait to make this video and tell the world all about it. Got an exclusive. So then for some reason, he kept delaying it. A bit like I'm delaying making this video. But anyway, I listened intently. And he said to me at the end, we're going to do a reverse split, 100 to 1. I said, when's this happening? Later on in September, another month away. Okay. All right. Well, when's the information going to be out? Where are we going to find this information? So I'm going to put it on a website, and it's a website where everybody will want to watch it. Everybody. We're going to get a lot of attention. And at this point, you can imagine, I'm thinking I'm going to buy millions of shares because this is going to be great, right? So just before I tell you who we're merging with, it's great. 100 to 1, a merger, going to be great. I want to just bring in a couple of comments because I've got some comments here from my viewers who want to put these to you. So I want all of you. I want to put all these comments to you, and I want you to answer before I tell you who the merger is, okay? So here are some of the comments that I've got from my audience. We did a poll to find out the best, the best comments, okay? So these are some of the best comments that we've had from my viewers that I wanted to share with you. So first of all, we got a question here from Jojo S. Jojo S said, it's Virgin Orbit and Mullen doing a merger. I think he's given up on the stock. Jojo S, he's trying to be funny, right? This is a serious video. Serious stuff here. Virgin Orbit are doing a Mullen merger. I think you know better than that, Jojo S. I think we all know that Virgin Orbit has gone down the toilet, right? Niels phoned in from Dubai somewhere. Looks like he's from Dubai. Mullen is a joke itself. Unbelievable. He thinks Mullen is a joke itself. What about Mike? No, Mullen will merge with OnlyFans. Mike, what do you know? How do you know this? What do you know? I think you should start saying Mullen's going to $10 and how bullish you. I can't do that, Sensei. I can't make a video and make up stuff and pretend something's happening. People, this is serious channel here. I can't be doing that. Jojo S says, breaking news on the Martyn Lucas Investor. Richard Branson breaks into the Mullen RV truck to check if he's really going to the moon. So I don't think you guys are taking this seriously. So I shall reveal all. Mullen next month on 100 to 1 reverse split is doing a merger. And I think this is going to be great. They're doing a deal with OnlyFans. Now, some of you might go, that can't be true. Mullen is an automotive company doing a deal with OnlyFans. Well, trust me, you heard it mentioned earlier. Mike heard about it. Mike has been doing research. He's been going around Reddit. He's been going around these channels, these YouTubers, making up wonderful stories to promote the stock. And apparently it's true. Dave Mitchery is going into business with OnlyFans, and by the end of this week, we anticipate seeing Mullen at 0.00001 cent a share, which is in fact what it actually would be if we hadn't reverse splitted it many times. So what do you feel? We all bought an invisible stock. Well, guess what? If you do your research, you'll find out Mr. Mitchery has done this several times before. In fact, quite a few times before, but I just can't go into it in finer detail for obvious reasons. But here we are. How do you feel? Are you like me? Have you lost all your money? Has it all just whistled off into the breeze? Or do you think next month, when we do a reverse split for 100 shares for one, and we do business with OnlyFans, finally, Mullen will be the company we've all dreamed of? Until then, as always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves. Most importantly, take care of your poor little Mullen shares that have gone from something to less than something to nothing. Bye-bye for now. All right. Okay. Dear God, I'm so much in trouble now. At least Mullen knows how to go in reverse. Right, what's the world's crappiest stock, the crappiest CEO for shareholder? Dunno. I'm mulling over it. Oh, that's good. I wish I put that in. That's good, that. Let me do a cutaway. Right, spotlight. Okay. Right, that'll do. You ready? Hey, Mullen, where's my money gone? Okay. Hang on. Now, none of this makes sense right now, guys. I know it doesn't make sense, but it will later on. What did he just say? Oh, yeah. Here it is. What's the worst CEO in the world? 10 points if you know the answer to this. I'm mulling that one over. Okay. Okay, here's another one. Here's another one for you. Mullen, it's the new naked short. All right, that'll do. It's all got out of hand now. Okay, that's it. It's all out of hand. I can't be doing this anymore. Right. Certainly got a dream stop, but certainly I can't repeat that. Where's my mouse gone? There we go. Right. Okay, let's bring it back to the front. My microphone's having a good starring role for a few moments. Okay. There we go. Right, we'll wrap up the show. I will edit these videos. I will have a lot of fun. And that'll do. So look out for a Mullen video coming to a cinema near you. And look out for, this could go on for hours. I could do all sorts in here. I could just spend the whole evening making videos and you watching me do it. So it's a win-win for me, really. Right, that's it. I'm going to end because I want to get these videos done, right? I'm going to get to it. Okay. That's it. Right, let's go. I'm going to love you and leave you. We did get a super chat, so I'm going to do it. Let's bring it up now. Bam, 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 bam. All right, let's go back to our main position. Day trader of the day. Nice and quick, folks. I'm down 0.42, same as this morning. Down 0.42. Then we're going to roll the credits. 42%. There you go. Put a minute on the clock. Look out for a great video coming near you. Okay. Here we go. 1.06, down 0.42. Fibonacci goes into the lead. Down 1.01, up 1.2. 1.2. Fibonacci is 1.06. Sensei's in the lead. Up 0.79, down 1.85. Time is up. Time is up, time is up, time is up. And the winner is up 0.44. Sensei Crypto. Do you have 5 to 7 hours free after the show? 5 to 7 hours free. No, I don't. 5 to 7 hours free after the show. You being serious or what? 5 to 7 hours. Do I have 5 to 7? I need 5 to 7 hours. Right, let me do your score. Unbelievable. What do you think this is? Thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up. Let's hear the music. Here we go. Right, that's it. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. I'm going to make some movies like you've never seen before. Steven Spielberg's got nothing on what I'm about to do. You're going to see films you've never seen before. You're going to see TV so good. You're going to actually contact the Academy Awards, the Brit Awards, and go, Martyn Lucas should have nomination. Super chats, Nonny 315. Super chats 315. Thank you ever so much for the tip tonight. I think I deserved that tonight. I'm disappointed that everyone didn't feel the same way, but that's okay. I can live with it because I have to live with everything that goes on in my life, as we all do. It's the way it works. Congratulations, Sensei. Congratulations. Thank you very much. It's about time you won, Sensei. If not 10 hours. Yeah, can you imagine 10 hours? Yes. Thanks. You're welcome. Right, I'm out of here. Thanks ever so much. I'm all done. That's the end of that. Did you enjoy it? I hope you enjoyed it. Then you can go and you can look back in 50 years from today and you can say August the 22nd, 2023, at the time of my life. It was brilliant. It was absolutely brilliant. 'Cause I had the time of my life, and I owe it all to you and I. You can't believe it, can you? I know you're sitting there saying, I can't believe it. But this is the way it is. It's just the way it is. That's what this channel is about. It's just the way it is. That's it for me. Have a great week. I'll be on vacation tomorrow. Niels, thanks for letting me know. Where you going? Anywhere nice. Have a nice time. Enjoy yourself. Have a good time. Think of the rest of us slogging away, losing money. Think of us. Happy vacation. Where are you off to? That's what I said, Jojo S. Too late for that, mate. I've already said it. It looks like it's an afterthought now. I said it. It was real from the heart. You just said it because I said it. You just wanted to be like me. But, you know, he can. France for a week. Ooh la la. Off to France. Martin. Hey, Pokisro has become a member.
Pokisro has become a member.
That's it. Pokisro. Come back tomorrow. I'll upgrade your account. Can't believe it. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll give you all your gifts tomorrow. Come back tomorrow.